In this video, we're showing you our Matter Budget feature. Budgeting means you can make a risk assessment for individual matters and projects. So in Matter Budgets, users can view and set hours, fees, expenses, and invoices and can limit them from exceeding. Users can also set budgets at a granular level for specific timekeepers, specific task codes, expense codes, tasks, and task assignment by timekeeper. So let's go ahead and click on Clients Matters, and click on the matter name and click on the Budget tab. So budgets can be entered for a matter, a timekeeper, a task code, an expense code, or a task. You can see that these tabs are up here, so these are the other budgets that you can enter to. And then we have the different elements to the budgets. So prevent exceeding checkbox. This will cap the budgeted amounts and won't allow additional time or expense entries to be created against them once the budget has reached its maximum amount. Budget amounts can be viewed against the actual amount. So if I go ahead and, for example, put in some budgets over here. Okay, so we have a green progress bar. This means that if it is green, that means you are within your budget, and if you hover over the bar, it will tell you how much of that percentage you have used up from the budget. And then we have the red here. This means we've exceeded budget, and again we'll hover over here and we have gone over by this much. You can see it's gone over by 0.6%. and if we prevent exceeding, this will stop it from exceeding any further. And in addition to this, we can export the budget out onto Excel. We can see that we have an Excel version of this.